Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with YJ. Tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious steamed eggs with your delicious rice to pair up with all these other dishes here. Wow, look at that. Okay guys, for this recipe is very easy to make. So first, you're gonna wash up your rice. So my rice is washed up over here. And then next, you just need like a rack that we can place to hold on to the bowl that we'll be placing into the rice cooker. Over here I have a glass lunchbox bowl that I'm using, so it's very easy. So yeah, this is what it will look like, and it fits nicely into my rice cooker. Okay, let's go on to the next step. Okay guys, next I'm using 4 eggs over here. I suggest you just use 4 eggs because when I tried 5 to 6 eggs, it doesn't work that great in the rice cooker. And if you use that to make a larger portion, you need to put that in a steamer and it won't be suitable for the rice cooker. So I suggest 4 large or jumbo eggs is good enough for this recipe. So first we're going to crack it in the lunchbox bowl over here. I always like to crack my egg in the insides over here so that none of the yolk or the egg whites will leak out from the egg. Because if you crack it from the edge, a lot of times it'll split in half and the egg yolk will drip. So just crack it in the inside like that. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And now I've got a pair of chopsticks, or you can get a whisk. And then we're just going to beat the eggs nicely first. Okay, next over here I got 1 cup of water. You can use any drinking cup, but I measured the amount of water over here is about 400 ml of water. So you can add in about 350 to 400 ml of water. And make sure the water is either cold lukewarm water, as if you use hot water, the eggs will be cooking. So you need a very cooled down kind of water. So we're going to add in this 1 cup of water in this egg over here. Okay, next I get back my chopsticks and I'm going to whisk this up. So just slowly combine the egg and the water together. Give it a good twirl all around. Don't worry about any bubbles because once this egg is steamed in the rice cooker, there won't be any bubbles. You'll get a very smooth surfaced egg. You don't need the strainer to remove the bubbles. It doesn't matter. Just trust me guys, just do what I'm doing and you're gonna be getting some delicious steamed egg with rice for dinner. This dish is a very popular dish if you don't know what to cook for dinner, and it's just a side dish because it's good for the tummy, guys. Okay, next over here I got some cling wrap. I'm gonna wrap some cling wrap over this lunch box over here. Just seal it nicely with cling wrap. Okay, so the rice has been washed about 3 times in water, and now over here is like 4 small cups of rice that I'm using over here. So now when I cook rice, I like to use hot boiling water. I'm just gonna fold this up. You want the water height to be about 2 centimeters high for 4 cups of rice. If you're just using like 1 to 2 cups of rice, the water level above should be like 1 centimeters. So you can give it a quick eyeball on it. It doesn't matter if you put more water. If you add in a lot of water, then you're gonna end up with kind of like mushy kind of rice. If you add too little water, you're gonna end up with very dry, crumbly kind of rice. So just the right amount of water is good. And now the last step is to place our steamed eggs into the rice cooker. Just like that. Okay, let's place it in the rice cooker and let it cook on the rice function until it's ready. Then the steamed eggs will be ready, guys. Okay guys, wow, look at that. Look at that delicious steamed egg for dinner. And then we pair it up with some salmon over here. Then over here I got some barbecue ribs over here. Wok barbecue ribs and some delicious steak. Finally, let's pour in some oil. Olive oil. Wow. Okay. Nice. This is good with rice, guys. So easy to make.